Thank you very much, Mac and John. Thank you very much to our Senator, Madam Senator Pia Cayetano and Mr. Kevin Tan. Once again, greetings to everyone. I am tasked to present the sustainability story of MegaWorld Corporation and its subsidiaries. Let me start by sharing with you again the corporate structure of Alliance Global Incorporated, of which MegaWorld is a part of. Alliance Global is one of the Philippines' largest conglomerates operating in five major business sectors in the Philippines. For food and beverage, we have Emperador Incorporated, Quick Service Restaurant Golden Arches Development Corporation, Integrated Entertainment and Gaming Property Sector, we have Travelers International. For infrastructure, we have Infracorp. For the real estate sector, MegaWorld and subsidiaries, Empire East Global Estate Resorts Incorporated and SunTrust Properties Incorporated. MegaWorld International is the global marketing arm of MegaWorld, present in over 60 countries, and we are tasked to promote the company's various developments across the Philippines to the global market. For 2020 and beyond, our goal is to go beyond what our company has achieved in terms of delivering our products and services to our customers. We believe that for us to answer the needs of the global market better, we need to put sustainability at the core of our initiatives. As we march on to a new decade armed with our battle cry, anchored on sustainability, we also face new challenges that require an innovative way of looking at how we can continue growing our business while making a bigger, more meaningful impact to society. So let me continue by sharing our story. MegaWorld's first 30 years. The first 30 years of the MegaWorld Group is a remarkable story of resilience, innovation, and success. After enduring the impact of the Asian financial crisis in the late 90s, we regained our bearings and drew inspiration from the vision of our chairman, Dr. Andrew L. Tan, to bounce back stronger. In 1999, we introduced the Philippines' first ever integrated urban township, Eastwood City. The success of Eastwood City paved a way in the Philippine property sector and showcased how integrated developments can open up economic opportunities while allowing us to grow our residential, commercial, mall, and hotel portfolios. Today, the entire MegaWorld Group has 26 townships, integrated lifestyle communities, and lifestyle estates in key strategic locations all over the Philippines. Each one becoming a major economic anchor that impacts many different sectors. Each of these townships plays host to one or more of our 700 residential towers, 17 lifestyle mall developments, about 1.3 million square meters of leasable office space, and nearly 4,000 hotel room keys from our 10 homegrown hotel brands. With the real estate group's growing portfolio, we have created established and rising communities in around 50 cities and municipalities across the country, from Baguio City in northern Luzon to Davao in Mindanao. As we create flourishing communities, we also look ahead into the future and see how we can further help fulfill the potential of more areas in the country. Today, we have grown our land bank to almost 5,000 hectares. This gives us a distinct edge to plan and continue developing various areas into thriving districts in the next 10 years. All of these efforts form part of how we are able to contribute and pursue sustainable progress and development in this part of the world. Throughout our 30 years, the MegaWorld Group has helped create more than 500,000 direct and indirect jobs for Filipinos through to the BPO offices that serve as home to thousands of Filipino workers, our malls that cater to standout local and international brands, and our hotels that inspire inspire new experiences and celebrate Filipino hospitality, we take great pride in having created more opportunities for people to grow their careers and continue providing for their respective families. At MegaWorld International, we take pride in having created opportunities for our global marketing network to grow their careers and earn additional income to provide for their families back in the Philippines. Giving back to communities. In the past 30 years, we have also devoted our time and mobilized our resources to help communities move forward. We believe that education is the youth's passport to a bright future. This has been among the core advocacies championed by MegaWorld Foundation, our very own corporate social responsibility or CSR arm. Through the years, we have supported the education of financially challenged young Filipinos by granting close to 10,000 scholarships to deserving students across 48 schools all over the country. Today, out of the almost 700 scholars who have graduated in the program, about 92% of them are employed in AGI companies. As a group, we also continue to make our presence felt in the different communities that we serve. At MegaWorld International, we have commissioned MWI ambassadors from different countries to conduct outreach activities in the Philippines. Among the activities they spearhead include book reading and feeding programs for the underprivileged children. When COVID-19 shut down most nations and economies around the world, we at MegaWorld International did our part and extended a helping hand to communities of distressed Filipinos around the world. We partnered with the Philippine Overseas Labor and Office's Overseas Workers Welfare Administration to donate relief aids to hundreds of OFWs based in Kuwait, Oman, and the United Arab Emirates, Qatar, and Jordan. MegaWorld International also came to the aid of frontline workers and healthcare professionals in the UK and Australia by giving food, face masks, and headscarves. Apart from this, much-needed grocery bags were handed out to Filipino international students in Australia and a Filipino parish community in Rome. Moreover, we at MegaWorld International also became one with the call of our chairman, Dr. Andrew Tan, to strengthen the fight against COVID-19 by following government-mandated safety protocols, including the wearing of masks through the Mask Tagumpay campaign. The entire MegaWorld family responded in full force with its Mask United campaign. From blood donation programs, tree growing activities, livelihood and employment projects in partnership with LGUs, relief donation drives, coastal cleanups, and championing renewable energy, we take fulfillment in being able to leave meaningful footprints while helping communities prosper. Hearing the call for sustainability, we hear the call loud and clear. We recognize the dire need to commit to more meaningful change and urge everybody to take up arms against the monumental challenge ahead of us. Today, MegaWorld's Real Estate Group commits itself to sustainability, to empower our future and the future of our communities. We are taking on this challenge and sharing with all of you our corporate sustainability statement. Please watch this video.
We are a group of companies actively and responsibly pursuing sustainability excellence across all segments of our business through initiatives aligned with our vision. Community. We commit to create inclusive growth for our stakeholders and the communities around us by providing equal access to relevant resources and opportunities in order to promote shared prosperity and social harmony. Environment. We support the protection and conservation of natural habitats and ecosystems by gearing our development activities towards optimum land use, a reduced carbon footprint, efficient waste management, and the responsible consumption of resources, all while building sustainable communities. Economy. We contribute to the country's economic thrust by pursuing local development through innovation and technology, efficient and progressive infrastructure, job generation, and worthwhile partnerships and collaborations with local governments and people's organizations.
As part of embracing a future anchored on sustainability, we have committed ourselves to supporting the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, or UN SDGs, that go beyond simply caring for the environment to promote social and economic growth. Out of the 17 UN SDGs, we have narrowed down our focus to the following goals. One, creating sustainable communities. Long before it became a known concept in the business sector, we have already embraced the idea of sustainability as part of the identity of the real estate group. Our very own Eastwood City pioneered this live, work, play concept in response to the call to help build a more sustainable society. To illustrate how this becomes a possibility, please watch this video. Today, MegaWorld Townships proudly carry this pioneering development concept. This can be witnessed in Arcovia City, in Pasig City, a 12.3-hectare township that hosts the Arco de Emperador, the tallest bronze monument in the Philippines. If Madrid has its own Arco de la Victoria, Berlin Brandenburg Gate, and Paris has Arc de Triomphe, Manila now has its latest iconic landmark with the Arco de Emperador. Another township development modeled after MegaWorld's celebrated live, work, play lifestyle concept is Highland City in Cainta, Rizal. We are very excited about this new township as it will soon evoke a character of a city sitting on highlands. Over at the booming entertainment city in Parañaque, the portion of Metro Manila where the famed Manila Bay sunset flaunts its beauty is another MegaWorld township modeled after the live, work, play concept, Westside City. Rising soon within these 30-hectare townships are luxury malls, a wide array of leisure facilities, hotels, and residential developments such as the 15-tower Bayshore Residential Resorts and the 4-tower Gentry Manor. MegaWorld has also been at the forefront of embracing digital transformation as a way to integrate sustainability into its corporate blueprint. Just last August, the company launched Picaru, an all-in-one, on-demand premium lifestyle delivery app under Agile Digital Ventures. I think it was mentioned earlier. The app offers convenience like no other, where customers can purchase products ranging from food, gadgets, personal care, school supplies, hotel dishes to COVID-19 essentials from over 300 local and international merchants. The company has introduced a variety of programs geared towards fulfilling this objective, including the integrated FOPM automated experience by First Oceanic, which is a homegrown online platform offering residents of properties managed by First Oceanic unparalleled digital convenience through web-based customer service and online bills payment, among others. There is also Acquire, a digital customer service platform that provides convenience to our clients by allowing them to pay the reservation fee and monthly amortizations using their debit or credit cards. Mega World Hotels, meanwhile, has also recently rolled out its e-concierge mobile app, which allows guests to check in and out and even order food from the hotel's various F&B outlets, all done contactless and purely digital. Even Mega World Lifestyle Malls now promotes a variety of contactless innovations, all aimed at making the shopping experience in the new normal safer and happier. All of these efforts are part of MegaWorld's commitment to reinvent customer experience in today's fast-paced world. Job creation. Another area that we would like to continue focusing on is job creation, which responds to the 4UN SDGs. Over the past decades, we have grown our portfolio exponentially and created hundreds of thousands of jobs along the process. From just 193 residential towers in 1999, we now have about 700 residential towers as of end 2019. From having just 36,500 square meters of leasable office space in 1999, we now have 1.3 million square meters of office space, all hosting top-notch local and multinational companies and thousands of employees who are now active contributors to the economy. In terms of our mall developments, we now have more than 500,000 square meters of leasable area compared to just 28,500 some 20 years ago. Even our hotel room keys have grown massively in number, from just 211 in 1999 to about 4,000 as of end 2019, making us the biggest developer of homegrown hotel brands in the Philippines today. This includes the 18-story Savoy Hotel Mactan, which we formally opened last year. It is the latest addition to the exciting landscape of 30-hectare The Mactan New Town, MegaWorld's township with a beachfront in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. The hotel is actually a perfect choice for business travelers since its location allows guests to experience the beach and the township at the same time, where restaurants, cafes, a school, and other retail shops are within easy reach. It is among our most exciting properties to date, especially since investors can own a portion of the hotel by actually buying units. Using this pattern of growth in the next 10 years, we project to create about 3 million jobs across our residential, mall, offices, and hotel developments. By spurring stronger economic activity through our townships, we will be able to promote reverse migration and persuade those who have left their localities to come back and build a career in their own hometown. In this way, we also help keep Filipino families intact. On promoting renewable energy, to respond to 3 SDGs, we commit to make renewable energy as an important feature of our townships by installing more solar farms in the next few years. We will be piloting this project at Festive Walk Mall in Iloilo Business Park, and we intend to roll this out to our other townships across the Philippines. Having these solar farms is part of our efforts to utilize a healthy mix of energy sources. For our office developments, we have been building LEED certified office towers in the last decade. In fact, the country's first ever LEED Gold certified BPO building, 8 Campus Place in McKinley Hill, is in itself a proud MegaWorld development. In Jerry's Boracay New Coast, for example, we have been utilizing solar-powered and LED lampposts as a way to save power and use renewable energy. Such is also the case at SunTrust Ecotown in Tanza, Cavite, where we deploy a fleet of e-jeepneys as a means of transportation around the development. Meanwhile, sustainable features such as solar paneled roofings, sunroofing, and light wells that maximize natural lighting, perceived air conditioning, cooling design, escalators with low start features, rainwater harvesting system, and gray water recycling systems are all part of the design of our upcoming mall developments at the Upper East in Bacolod and Maple Grove in General Trias, Cavite. The emphasis on green features as part of our commitment to sustainability has also made our latest properties in Southern Luzon in the Philippines among the most sought-after developments in the market. These include the Scandinavian-inspired Ardennes Botanical Village and the Lindgren by Global Estate Resorts Incorporated, which will be surrounded by natural gardens, sprawling parks, and rivers. In the long run, we will complement these initiatives by decarbonizing our developments and achieving a healthy balance of using traditional and renewable energy sources. On waste management, in terms of utilizing single-use plastics in our developments, we have recently received a certification from Hope Foundation, the organization behind Hope in a Bottle, highlighting the milestones set by our Mega World Lifestyle Mall developments in achieving plastic neutrality. The certification recognizes our mall's effort to offset our almost 20-ton mineral water bottle footprint by using market-based technologies approved in the United Nations Basel Convention. On women empowerment, as we move forward, we also celebrate more opportunities to promote gender equality in the workplace. Women play a huge role in helping the real estate group succeed. At MegaWorld International, women make up almost half of the company's leadership. This kind of women empowerment in MegaWorld was recently recognized by an international award-giving body as we received the Women at Work Leadership Award during the 10th Asia's Best Employer Brand Awards held in Singapore. In closing, we would like to reiterate our strong commitment to take on the challenge of the times and champion sustainability towards a more progressive future, as this underscored the vision of MegaWorld to uplift lives, impact society, and help shape the nation. Our Lord has entrusted us with the care of all His creations, and the best way to fulfill our part is to become good and responsible stewards of this earth. Before I end my presentation, let's watch this video. This is how we will continue in the age of the new reality. Our road to continue growing, even in the midst of today's challenges, is hinged on our commitment to embrace innovation and sustainability. By staying true to our CEO, Mr. Kevin Tan's RISE strategy, which he authored, resilience, innovation, stability, and empathy, we are confident that we can weather this storm and emerge stronger than ever. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Marivic, for that very